Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to show you the CB Automator software that we have built that actually allows you to create a fully functioning ClickBank affiliate site that actually starts earning you commissions automatically. And this comes fully loaded with content, article reviews, and product reviews as well. All right. So as you can see on my screen, I have the CB Automator demo site, and it has nothing on it, absolutely nothing. I've just installed the free theme that comes as a bonus with our software. Now, once you go inside your WordPress admin dashboard, you can install the CB Automator WordPress plugin just like any other normal plugin. And once you install it, you will see this option here in the left menu. Then you can go into the settings section, and all you have to do is basically a few little things. You can select how many articles you want to import every day. So you can basically make it one article per day is what I recommend. Select the category of your reviews, and then if you want to import the featured image, which I would highly recommend, then add your affiliate ID here. Now this is your ClickBank affiliate ID, and that is all you need to do. You can then save all changes, and then after that your site is almost done. Now there are a few other things which we have here. You can add some visual settings, which is enable scrolling box or display video, which is some extra features you have, and then some intro text and click button text, which I will show you later. You can also enable some offers that can show at the bottom of the page of your posts, and then also show affiliate disclaimers, which is basically that you are an affiliate of certain offers on ClickBank, right? Next, you can also add your HTML code, which basically shows some banners or opt-in pages or anything like that in between your posts, and that will show up and actually help you build your list or earn more money as well. You can also add 3 banners here, which basically you can upload any images you want and add any external offers which are probably not ClickBank offers but anything else that you want to promote, and these will appear in the middle or the starting or the end of the post, and you can choose that in any way you want. All right. Next is the social sharing, which basically enables automatic social sharing of your content. So as in when new content is posted, new posts are coming to your site, you will automatically share them on various social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Medium, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Buffer. All right, so let's begin by adding some content on your site. As you can see, your site is completely blank, and all you have to do is now go into the CB Automator section and then click on Force Import. Now this is basically going to automatically import an affiliate article review from our system, which is our our main system, and then this has a complete written article review for you with images, with affiliate links, and has automatically added your affiliate link into the system. Now I will do this a few more times to basically import a few more articles so our site looks a bit more full, but you don't need to do this. Once you import your first article, you can just leave it like that, and every single day a new article will keep getting added to your site, and that way you will have a more organic growing site. Also, if you have an existing site, this works perfectly well for that, because in between your own content articles, you will see there will be other articles that will actually come in, and they will basically be affiliate articles like these, and then they will actually start helping you earn more commissions from your site. All right, so let me import around 10 articles here. Now this plugin comes fully loaded with 30 articles for you, so you have a whole month of content for you. And if you want more content, you can actually join our monthly content membership as well. All right, so let me go ahead and refresh this site, and you will see that this site is now loaded with more article reviews. You can see that all these are actually looking great, and they are over here. Let's go and see the long tail pro review. So this is the long tail pro review. You can actually see this here. The content is here. We have this amazing pop-up box, which is an amazing feature which shows the demo video of the software, and then if you click here, it takes you to the affiliate offer directly with your affiliate ID, so you can actually earn commissions on anyone who buys it from here. All right, so you can go here and read the review. It has complete images, all the titles, tags, fully SEO optimized. It has long tail it has the full sales video plus the demo video, has the pros and cons of the software, some really good screenshots, and then a call to action at the end to actually get you some sales. All right, so basically also shows the related products at the bottom, and then you have this floating box which basically helps them take action over here. You can also add some banners which will go at the top over here or on the sidebars over here, and then earn more commissions from different offers. So the reason why I made this software, we made the CB Automator software software is so that it becomes really easy for anyone to actually build an affiliate site which promotes offers from Clickbank, because Clickbank has over 3,000 products that you can actually earn commissions from, and you don't need any approvals. You don't need to wait for any approvals, and so you're automatically approved for all the offers, so you can start earning commissions. All right, so get the software and start earning commissions. Whether you have an existing site, you can add it to your own site, or if you want to launch a new site, you can totally do that using this software. All right, so click the link below and download the software today. Thanks.